Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, hair, fashion, and lifestyle. It's Lady M here, and today, you know what time it is. It's that Boxycharm unboxing. This is my August box that we're going to be unboxing today. But before we get into today's video, if you aren't already subscribed, then make sure you take some time and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you are already subscribed, then make sure you turn on your notification bells to be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into my August Boxycharm box. So I have my box right here and I'm like shaking it and I'm like, oh my God, this sounds a little scanty. I don't know. All right, so let me just go ahead and open up the box and let's get started. Okay, so this Boxycharm box, this is, oh, it says, it's giving me a little reminder. It says save the date, September 13th, October Boxy Choice, and then get up to 70% off in add-ons. And then this one is titled Go All Out. Yes, we're going all out for the end of summer. Okay, so here it is. And then I was talking about the little notes right there on the bottom. All right, so let's get into the box. I guess I'll give you guys a little sneak peek into the box. Yes. Let's start out with the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. I have never, this must be new. So this is the product, Kate Somerville Exfolikate, and it's called Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. Yes, it's moisturizer, it's hydrant. Let's see what it talks about on here. It says, revive dull, dry, lackluster looking skin with Kate's Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. Powerhouse ingredients remove dead surface skin cells while smoothing fine lines and wrinkles to reveal younger looking skin. This retails for $70. I don't think I've ever seen this before, but I know the Exfoliate cleanser is like a cult favorite, and then she also has the Exfoliate like mask or like the actual Exfoliate product, but I did not know that there was an Exfoliate moisturizer. So this is what the packaging looks like, which is goes with the Exfoliate line. Let me see. This is the 1.7 ounce fluid ounce. So this has lactic acid, which is an exfoliator, and it has hyaluronic acid, which gives you hydration. So it says improves pores and texture while hydrating and smoothing for dewy, refreshed looking skin. So yes, I am excited to try that. Okay, so the next thing in here is PURLISSE Ageless Glow Serum BB Cream with SPF 40. Glow Serum BB Cream, okay. It's a multitasking serum infused beauty balm that contains patchouli, which is the plant-derived alternative for retinol. So it's definitely a good ingredient. It has algae collagen and vitamin C to firm the skin's elasticity, brighten and moisturize, all while providing full natural glowy coverage and protecting your skin with SPF. This MSRP, this retails for $38, and this is a new launch. Where are you? Okay, so this is what it looks like. I don't know if I said that name right. PURLISSE, I don't know. Ageless Glow Serum BB Cream with SPF 40. If there's something like it's a, Boxycharm came through with the colors, because this one is deep. Okay, you know, usually they play me when they come out with like color products, because I don't ever get anything that's like my skin tone color. Oh, so this says beauty through Asian wisdom. We already talked about that. The benefits are it hydrates the skin, it helps reduce discoloration, fine lines, and wrinkles. It improves the skin elasticity, reduces hyperpigmentation, and protects skin from damaging free radicals. This is for normal to dry skin types. And obviously you would put this on top of your moisturizer. So I am curious to see the color because it says deep, but how deep is deep? And it is sealed. So it has like the little seal there, but I need to test this because I'll try it. Okay, so that is the color. Whoa. I just kind of blended it right there, and mind you, the outer arm, my arm here is darker than my my face color, but this looks ashy. What do you guys think? Like, I can't even, that looks ashy. So that's ashy. So that's probably not gonna work for me. You know what? Let me try it on the inside of my arm. So I'm putting it on the inside, which is gonna be like more like my face color. So I got it right there. Oh yeah, no, this is not gonna work. Look at that. Ash, like, I don't know why I did that. You can't even see. Like, turn my arm up. It's like ashy for days. Look at that. No. I wonder if, you know, sometimes they have those products that self-adjust. So yeah, no, I don't like it. Sorry. Deep, no. So next up, we have Frank Body. Okay, this is interesting. This is Booty Drops Firming Body Oil. It says drop it like you're hot, drop it like you're hot, drop it like it's hot. Okay, so Booty Drops is a firming body oil to help smooth you over. Each drop is packed with caffeine to firm, I don't know how to say this word, guarana to energize, carrot root extract to hydrate, plus grapeseed and jojoba oils to soften skin and get you glowing. Drop it straight onto your booty for soft and firm skin, or mix with your moisturizer for extra perks. This retails for $17.95. Where is it? The Booty Drops. Okay. It says caffeine, a butt fork lift. Okay. It says the grapeseed oil for a baby soft booty. I mean, who doesn't want baby soft booty? Right? Oh god, it says get to know me. I'm highly caffeinated body oil for firmer looking skin, better circulation, and more risque dance moves. Okay. Pop, lock, and booty drop. Okay, this is pretty interesting. Booty boosting caffeine, feel supple and hydrated, and then it says feel tighter and firmer. Okay. I didn't know that I needed this, but clearly I do. And this is what the packaging looks like. It's kind of cute, right? Booty. Okay, so I have something from Mally Beauty. This is their EverCover Gel Waterproof Liner, your new go-to liner. This creamy, long-lasting gel formula glides on easily to fiercely line and define. The MSRP for this is $19, and it is, I don't know what the color is. Doesn't say. Oh, onyx, so that's black. So it's gonna be the black color. Oh, nice. Has a nice little fine point. You guys can see that right there. That's that. Okay. I might be willing to try. I'm always in the market for a new black liner. Okay, and the last thing we have is JECCA Black, and it's Play Pot. And it says Play Pots are creamy pigments that can be used on the eyes, lips, and cheeks. As cream pigments, they're super easy to effortlessly blend out while still offering you high impact pigment with a vegan and cruelty-free formula. And the MSRP for this is $21.50. And let me see what the color is. Oh, is it sealed? Oh, okay. This is like a nice burgundy kind of color. This looks like it would be perfect for fall. And that is what it looks like right there. I am not one for cream eyeshadows at all. I just bought some cream shadows. I just picked up some stuff from Nordstrom's and Sephora. I'm gonna do another haul video, and I'll definitely link it in the cards above, or it'll be linked below. But I am not a fan of cream products, especially for the eyes. It says large pots encourage you to use makeup brushes or your fingertips to apply. The handy individual pots make them perfect for popping into your bag to take with you on the go. And that's pretty neat too. This is a pink pearl. This is shimmer finish, and it's for the eyes, lips, and cheeks. So that's pretty interesting. I'll probably put that in a giveaway to give away, but that is not something that I personally like to use. So, okay, so the roundup, drum roll. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things here. And I probably would say that I'm willing to try most everything except for the eyeshadow. So that's like a 9 out of 10, you know, for the box, depending on how good the products are. I know the Kate Somerville, the Exfoliate, I've used the cleanser, so I'm pretty familiar with that line. And I love lactic acid, so that's something that I will definitely try. Oh my God, I forgot about this BB thing. Okay, so let's check my arm. Do you see that? You can see like right there, there's like a line where the ash is, and then like my skin color. So that's a no. So maybe 2 out of the 5. So we're at 3 out of 5. So we're definitely like 85% or something. So I'm gonna try this booty oil. Okay, I got a big booty. So without a BBL, you know, I got natural big booty. So I will try that to see how that is. And the eyeliner, I'll definitely try, but I'll skip on the BB serum and the play pot. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this August Boxycharm roundup. Let me know in the comments, is there anything in your box that you like? Were you excited to try anything? What your thoughts are? Do you subscribe to Boxycharm? Let's talk about it below in the comments. And thank you again for joining today. And one more time, if you aren't already subscribed, then make sure you take the time to hit that subscribe button down below. And while you're there, turn on your notification bells because you don't want to miss any of my uploads. All right, guys, thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.